Hello everyone, welcome to Arthadut. Today we are coming up with a new video on a stock that has the potential to become a multi-bagger from this level. So let's start it. Now the stock name is NAM India, Nippon Life Asset Management India. So first of all, let's come from the monthly chart. On the monthly chart, you can see there was a big fall last year back in March. After that, it has been recovering from lower levels. Currently, the price is 333.65. Okay, so now first of all, let's see the on the monthly chart. We can see there is some kind of bullishness, not exactly bullish, but somewhat good bullish, and you can say it's at a fair, good discount over other AMC peers. So now from the monthly chart, let's come to the weekly chart. On the weekly chart, you can see that after the fall in March, there is a really good recovery from the lower levels. Now, what you can do is, first of all, let's see the Fibonacci retracement out here. Now, if we draw a Fibonacci from top to the lows, we can see that currently it is taking support at the 50% retracement level. Now, let me tell you the importance of this. Uh, After a trending move, if there is a retracement of more than 50%, you can say that the trend is reversing. Now, you can see here that it was some kind of bearish structure there. Now, after that, the stock has retraced more than 50%. So now we can clearly say that the stock has reversed its trend and now it's ready to recover from here. So as we say 330, it's approx 330 is the 50% retracement level, and that's currently where it is taking support. So now let's come to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, because it's some kind of a small stock, it is subject to a lot of volatility. Like you can see here, you can see this big wick. The thing is that in reality there was just might be some kind of transaction down here at 270 level. That's why you can see such a long wick, but that's not something which we should consider. We should remove the noise. So in order to remove the noise, let's come to a line chart. So it's a line chart on the daily time frame. So here, let me remove the volume. So on the daily time frame chart, we can see a really beautiful TA technical analysis pattern. Let me show you. Now here we can draw a beautiful trend line. We can even extend it till here. Okay, let's extend it out here. This is a really beautiful triangle formation, and after the triangle formation, the stock has broken up on the upper side. Now let's find the support and resistances. Let's zoom in. Here I like to draw first support of around 310 level. Let's change the color to, I guess, red. Okay. On the smaller time frame, what you can other than what you can do is you can just draw a beautiful trend line, a rising trend line, to see where the probable levels that this stock can take a support. Now, did the analysis after removing the noise. Now let's come back to candlesticks and see how the noises have been. Okay, that's really great formation. So this is a triangle formation. There is a triangle formation breakout. So here what you can see is a beautiful higher high, higher low formation. So let's try to find out where it can take support. First level where you can see is the last swing low here. Let's change the color to yellow. I guess it's not that visible. Okay. It's around 326. Okay, now let me tell you. Here's level of 326 or around 330 coincides with the 50% retracement level on the weekly time frame, or you can say a higher time frame. So that's a really good zone here to accumulate this stock for a somewhat longer term. Now my view is, as long as this stock is above 300, this is a really good level to buy. It's a really good level to accumulate. Now let's see where it can go up to. Before that, observe it, as this candle was the first breakout candle, that to it really high volume. The low of this candle is really important. That is, the low is around 312. So 312, or you can say round off to 310. 310 is a really good level, and as long as this stock is above this level, it's a really good level to accumulate. Now the question is, what are the targets? What can be the possible target of this stock? Now, first of all, let me show you the weekly time frame. Let's remove this things. Okay. Now, on the weekly time frame, you can see this is a really good breakout retest pattern. You can say here, it broke out. Then it is consolidating out here. Then again, it's trying to break out, and but it's now taking a retest of that breakout level. So as it has broken out and now taking a support, as long as it is above 310, it has the potential to move up to the first level, that's 450. So how far 450 is from current level? 450 is 35%. It has the potential of a 35% upside from here, and beyond this, you know what can happen. And other than that, it's a really good company. Earlier it was with Reliance. Now they have split it. Reliance Capital is no longer with them. So, and also it has got good pedigree. So you can expect this stock to be a really good wealth creator in the long run. So that's all. I hope you learned something from this. And as I said, remember the level of 300. If you're a long-term investor, as long as this is above 300, it's a really good level to buy. Accumulate it in a small amounts, and then start booking it once it reaches the level of 450. And if it breaks out beyond that, I would say rather accumulate more and see how the benefit of pyramiding works. I'd like to show you on another thing. As I said before, the level of 312, or you can say 310, is important. So there's another coincidence. You can see this low, this candle with such a strong wick has almost the same level. That's the level is around 315. So yeah, this is a really good demand zone, as the stock has moved beyond 300 and as the stock has moved beyond 300 and now beautifully sustaining above the level. So as far as it you get to buy it around 300. That's a really good deal, and just buy it and keep it. Thank you.